Good day, everyone. Welcome back to science class. Remember, science classes give you knowledge. Before we start to our next lesson, let us have review about changing how things move. And we also studied specifically about forces. What is force? Force, it makes things move. How? Force, it is a push or pull of an object. This is a push and this is a pull. Push, it is a force that moves an object away from another object, just like you are seeing on the screen. The boy is pushing the car away from him. That is push. Next, pull, a force that moves an object closer from another object. Okay, just like the man, he is pulling the donkey towards him or closer to him. That is pull. Okay, on our activity, let us have the first one. What force is shown in the picture? Is it push or pull? That is push. Next, what force is shown in the picture? Push or pull? That is pull. Very good. Next, what force is shown in the picture? Push or pull? That is push. Now, that's the end of our review about changing how things move. And now, let's proceed to the next lesson about magnets. What is magnet? Okay, let me play a video about magnet.
Huh? Hi, I'm Hoagie. Hoagie. Ping pong.
Pull, push, push, pull and push. Pull, pull, push, push. This is Magnet.
Says Turtle on her morning walk. Found a magnet under a red truck. She liked it so much and put it on her back. Pull the spoons, pull the forks, pull them all. Pull, 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 pull the clips, pull the pins, pull them all until you fall.
Pull, pull, push, push. This is Magnet Dragonfly on his.
Okay, as you can see, as you've watched on the video, the magnet pull things like push pins and clips. Okay, let me explain further about magnet. There are types of magnet. Okay, these are the types of magnets according to shapes. And remember, magnet attracts object made of iron steel. What are the examples of iron steel that can be attracted to magnet? Like pins, push pins, hairpins, and a penny made of iron steel or nickel. And there are things or objects that attracts to magnet. That is called magnetic. Okay, remember KG3? When the things or objects attract to the magnet, we call it magnetic. And the one that is not attracted to magnet, we call it non-magnetic. Okay, the example of non-magnetic is wood or plastics. Okay, but remember, the things or objects that attract to magnet is called magnetic. Just like that. Okay, next. Attract means pull. Remember KG3, magnet pull objects closer to it. Okay? Magnet can move some objects without touching it, just like you are seeing on the screen. Remember, not all things can be attracted to magnets. As I said a while ago, there are things or objects that cannot be attracted. We call it non-magnetic, because some of them are made of plastic and not of metal. Magnetic force. What is the reason why magnet can attract things? Because there is a force that can attract things to metal, and we call it magnetic force. That is the force that can attract metal to magnet. Next, and magnet has two poles, that is north and south. North mostly red and south pole is blue color. Next, or remember, different poles can attract. Okay, as you can see on the screen, this is a south pole which is blue color and the red color is north. When they are together, they can be attract. If they are different poles, they will attract. How about if they are the same poles, like north to north or south to south? They will repel or they will not attract. Okay? Let us have a magnet exercises or seat work. Okay, study the pictures to see if they are magnetic. Once again, when we say magnetic, these are the things or objects that can attract to magnet. How about the paper clip? Is it a yes, magnetic, or not magnetic? It is magnetic. How about the pencil? No, it's not, because it is made of wood. How about the push pins? Yes, it is. Now let us have homework in Science Vision page 141. You are going to draw an arrow to show the direction the track is moving, just like that. Okay, you are going to draw it inside the box here. Next, our seat works are on page 140. You're going to circle the group of objects a magnet will attract. And that's the group of objects that can attract to magnet. Next, let us have the last seat work will be 142. Okay, circle the object a magnet will attract. On the first row, we have key. Second row is screw, and the last one is paper clip. And that's the end of our lesson. See you again to our next science lesson. Goodbye.